Hey guys, it's Isabel Bedoya. Today I'm going to be showing you how to get a red carpet look. First things first, we're going to start off by prepping the skin. Last night I added a sleeping mask, and you guys can see already the skin is like super shiny, super healthy, super moisturized. I'm going to grab a makeup wipe and just wipe that off. A red carpet makeup is totally different than a regular makeup because of so many freaking reasons. First of all, lighting. If you're working with cooler lighting, you want to make sure you balance it out with the warm tone that you add to your face, and vice versa. If you're working with warm lighting, you want to make sure you keep the cool tones in mind, but nothing too crazy because you don't want to look pale as either. So we're gonna go ahead and create a look as if we are working with a daytime red carpet. Red carpets are usually really hectic. You got a lot going on, a lot of flashes, a lot of lights, a lot of people, less oxygen. You're just, sweating, and you want to look as put together, and we want to make this makeup look last. It's all about how well are we prepping the skin to really make the foundation stick to you, which sounds kind of nasty, but that's what it is. And also, setting spray is a huge part of this look, but we'll get into that later. Okay, so first things first, I'm gonna start by moisturizing. This is the Tatcha, the water cream. What I like about this, it's perfect for a moisturized look, but it's super lightweight because it is water form. She's a little pricey, but she's worth it. She lasts this, she does its job, and it comes with this cute little spatula. Like, who don't want this? And she smells good. Oh, I love how this smells. It's like refreshing. It's a very mild smell. It's nothing too crazy, nothing that'll bother you. We're just working this on the face. We want to really make sure we push it in our pores, as disgusting as that sounds. If you don't have a good prepped skin for this look, you're putting effort for no reason. So yeah, just make sure you drag the moisturizer down your neck. Give yourself a little massage. Relax your muscles. One of my favorite tricks to this look as well, since we are trying to make it last as long as possible, because we might go to the after red carpet party, we want to make sure we spray it with this Urban Decay All Nighter. You guys know this is an iconic product when it comes to the beauty industry. Locking in the makeup, this is a must. Personally, I don't like the smell of it, but I don't really like the way it works. And I think this is really going to help the face grab onto the foundation. And now lips, this is a red carpet must. So we want to make sure we are nice and moisturized. And then on top of that moisturizing we just did, we're going to add a lip serum. And you know what? I'm going to add it with this product I just tried. It just vibrates. So just make sure it's layered on top. This is a eye massaging wand. This is supposed to be for your under eyes, but you know how I am. I don't give a f. I'm just gonna put it on my lips and just leave it as that. Okay, last step to prepping is gonna be primer. We're gonna go ahead, and the only reason why I'm adding this now is because we want it to stay as long as possible, because then our skin will really absorb it. And I'm using a hydrating primer as well. And then on the eyes with the remaining product, we don't want to go too heavy. And that smells like coconut, which is fire. All right guys, that's the last step when prepping the skin for a red carpet look. For the next episode, I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys how I do my eyes and give you that red carpet realness. So make sure you guys follow me for the next episode.